You are a business owner or solopreneur who wants to have AI automations for business, but you don't have time to learn N10 or Make, or you don't want to spend time in creating those workflows. You don't need to learn N10 or Make to make AI automations for your business. After watching this video, you can use N10 or Make to create AI automations without even learning N10 or Make and without spending weekends creating complex automations. You just need basic knowledge to set up N10 or Make. If you don't know how to set up these things, I have a bonus for you at the end of this video. In this video, I will show you from where you can get the completely free AI automations for your business built by experts, which you can just copy and paste and start using for your business without sparing time for learning or creating workflows. In this video, I will only cover Make and N10. Both these platforms have huge communities who continuously build AI automations and share these templates for others to use. These templates are built by experts mostly and are available for free to use by anyone. We just have to find the template for our use case and use it simply. First, we will look where to find such templates and then how to use them. So we will start with Make. Go to your browser and search Make templates and then open this first link. You will see this template gallery which contains thousands of templates for you to use. You just have to find the template for your use case and you can start using it. They have a nice search feature here from where you can search the templates by name, and on the left side they have browse by category from where you can find the templates by category, and both these features will make it easy for you to find the right template that you want to use for your business. Now I find this template useful for my business and it completely fulfills the need of my business, and I just want to use it in my business without recreating it from scratch. So I will simply click on it. This page will show up with the basic details. I will then click on this get this template and it will load the template into my Make account. If you don't have Make account, it will redirect you to create a new account or sign in page. As you can see, it is loading the template in my Make account and it has loaded it. If you are new, you can use these left hand side options and start guided setup and create new scenario from template. But as the template has been loaded, I will simply click on screen anywhere and my template is ready to be used. Definitely I have to open these and connect my own accounts and do a basic setup and configuration for each node, and then it will be fully functional. Now let's see how we can find N10 templates. For that, go to your browser and search N10 templates. Open the first link and this page will show up containing thousands of ready to use workflow automations. They also have this search feature with some quick filters which will make easy for us to search the templates that we are looking for. So for example, I find this template perfect for my business needs. So I will simply click on it and this will take me to this page. This page contains the detailed information about this template. I will simply click on this use for free and the four options appear in front of me. If you are using N10 on cloud, you can use this option. If you are running N10 locally on your machine, you can use this option, the first one. But for now, I will go with this second option because this option works for everything. If you have self-hosted the N10 using it on cloud or you are using locally on your machine. So I will simply click on this option to copy the N10 workflow and then go to my N10 dashboard and simply press Ctrl V to paste it. And let me zoom out to see the full workflow. And here is our workflow ready to be used. Definitely we have to open the nodes and do some configurations and connect our own account to make it fully functional. but you have saved a lot of time in learning N10 or Make or spending your weekends in creating these workflows. Now it's time for bonus. If you don't have much technical knowledge and you cannot set up Make or N10 on your own, then I can help you for free. I have attached a Google form in the description of this video. You can go and fill out that form, and then I will reach out to you and help you set up your N10 or Make for free during my weekends. Definitely, I cannot help everyone in setting up these things for free because I am just doing it for weekends, but I will try to manage as much queries as possible. Setting up Make is pretty straightforward. You just have to create an account. But when it comes to N10, it's a bit complex. If you are going with the cloud option, then you have to pay $20 per month, and it's a straightforward process. But if you want to self-host it, or if you want to locally run your N10 on your local machine, then it's a bit complicated and you need a technical knowledge. And I can help you here for free if you want to host your N10 on Hostinger, or if you are looking for more cheaper options where you can just run N10 on $4 to $5 per month. And if you want to run N10 completely for free locally on your machine, as I am doing right now, you can watch this video where I have explained the complete process how you can run N10 locally on your machine. If you have any suggestions or queries, comment section is for you. Be my guest, and thanks for watching this video.